And our dog is in the back, very naughty, cheeky.
Tinatamad akong mag-walk, guys.
Around the park 2 times. And I'm gonna go in the exercise machine.
Exercise?
Machine.
Machine?
Yeah, later, after the 2 laps.
2 lap, only 1 lap. I'm
2
gonna go
laps.
home.
Lazy.
Hi!
Mommy's so lazy, don't even wanna walk. Yeah, that's the cheeky dog.
Get a big pig.
He sounds like a pig. He's the cheekiest dog.
Pinaantok na ako. Bala, hurry up!
I'll walk with mommy. Daddy's so slow. That's the same guy again. What kind of dog is that? It's cute.
Chow
Fluffy.
chow.
Chow chow.
Cha cha.
It's so fluffy.
Ayan guys,
See, look.
pahapon na,
You wanna
anong
fight
oras?
with every
Ano, what
dog.
time na? Maybe 6 o'clock by now?
Yeah, and our dog always want to fight with every dog. And they don't even want to fight.
Daldal
her.
lang anak ko, no?
It's true. Oh, there's a baby kitten. Guys, there's a baby kitten. Yeah, but this doesn't look, it looks, oh, so cute. It doesn't even have a tail. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma, Sigma boy. Now somebody's here. Even though they don't have to. Oh, your favorite car, Mom?
Yeah, Mini Cooper.
My God, I wanted. Where you going?
Where you going? In the park? Oh, go na, in the park. Go, Baba. Hey!
Crazy monkey. You like crazy gorilla.
Come on, latte.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma boy. Sigma, Sigma boy.
Ito kami sa park.
That way.
Yan.
That's heading to the
Pasensya na kayo
south.
sa ilong ko. Talagang
They're
pangulang.
heading toward the south.
Okay. Mommy gonna sit down and you walk.
You're gonna sit down and play.
You play where? Okay, go. Go. Careful. Mag-slide ka din, Latte. Latte, you're gonna slide. I'm gonna slide.
Up.
Daddy, I cannot. Daddy. You have to put it from top to the bottom. The slide down. Ayun guys, dito muna kami. Bahala siya. Ay baby, oh, you have to walk.
Mom,
Ah!
can you push me a little bit? A little bit, That's all. My God, what is this? Again.
That's all.
It's not like pushing, man.
Oh, yan na. Ang
But,
demanding.
okay, that's it, that's it.
He's scared naman. Ay. Ayan guys, sumama lang ako mag-walk. Pero really, hindi talaga ako nag-walk sa hapon. Tamaritis.
Daddy?
Pagoda eh.
Okay,
Yun yung banding nilang
I
mag-ama.
need to go. I need to go to the exercise machine.
Oh, go exercise machine. What's that?
I need to take it.
Oh, go na. Bye!
Bye.
Ayun. Ganyan ginagawa nilang mag-ama. Minsan, nag-iikot sila dyan sa buong village. Paikot kung saan mapupunta. Hindi ako nasama kasi napapagod agad ako. Hindi talaga ako fit na tao. Kaya, hanggang dito lang ako sa park. Nung minsan sumama ako mag-walk, nag-ikot. Ayoko na maulit. Hindi, before, nung dalaga pa ako, nag-walk ako, nag-jog, ganyan. Every morning and every afternoon, ganyan. Kaya lang, wala na eh. Natatamad kasi pagod ako na sa bahay, tapos mapapagod ka pa dito. Pero, maganda din naman yung habit, 'di ba? Na maging stay fit ka, healthy, yan. Pero sa akin, ang ko, yung mag-relax lang, manood ng TV, after ng mga gawain, 'di ba? Dami pa akong hugasan sa bahay, hindi ko pa nagagawa. Kaya naman guys, ayan, dito ang park. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!